In this video, you'll learn how to clear the website cache in WordPress using the Google Chrome browser. This process helps in ensuring that you are viewing the most up-to-date version of your site by removing outdated cached files. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of the window. These dots represent the menu. Click on them to reveal a drop-down menu. After the menu appears, select the option labeled Settings. This action will direct you to the Settings page where you can adjust various preferences for your browsing experience. Look for Privacy and Security on the left side of the Settings page. Within the Privacy and Security section, you will find the option that says Clear Browsing Data. Click on it. A new pop-up window will appear, allowing you to choose what data to delete. In the pop-up, ensure that the checkbox for cached images and files is selected. This option is crucial for clearing the cache. Next, set the time range to all time to ensure that all cached files are removed, not just recent ones. Once you have made these selections, click the button labeled Delete Data. Depending on the amount of cached data, this process may take a few moments. You will see a brief loading indicator while Chrome clears the cache. After the data has been cleared, return to your WordPress site. To do this, simply navigate back to the tab where your WordPress site is open. Refresh the page by pressing the F5 key on your keyboard. This action reloads the site without any cached files, allow you to see the latest updates. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.